Hello people, so last time I gave us a summary of modern importation, and we narrowed it down to searching on a Chinese site called 1688. So today I promised us that I was going to give us a quick rundown on the site and everything you need to understand about the site: how to search for your product, how to tell quality items, how to understand the parameters stated such as the prices, the minimum order of quantity, which is the MOQ, to how to tell quality goods from the item rating to the store, which is the people that are selling it, their ratings, and every other information that you will need in making your search. So without saying much, let's just dive into the site. Now I have this video on the desktop version, and I'll be putting the link in the description box below, but I'm using the mobile version because I know that a majority of us will be accessing the site or will be using our mobile phones, and so that is why I decided to make this video for those that will be using mobile sites. So this is what the site looks like, and I told us that for you to access this site, from what you can see that the site is a pure Chinese site. So for you to be able to access it and understand to an extent of what the site is talking about, you need your Google Chrome. If you don't have your Google Chrome, quickly get it ready. So we will dive into the site right away. Let's do it here. Okay, I already have my 1688. Now if you try to, I see a lot of people, they write it here. If you write it here, it will give you everything that has to do with 1688. So the best thing is for you to go to the URL here already, because I'm always here, so they just showed me, so I'll just click. Let me just quickly see if I can do a summary of everything we ought to know about 1688 and the parameters we use. Even if you have a prior knowledge, try to check what I'll be mentioning here with whatever knowledge you already have. Okay, so without saying much, let's just go. First of all, I always advise that you access 1688 using your Google Chrome. The reason is this thing here. It has an automatic translator that helps you. This site is originally a Chinese site, so it is only the translator that helps you understand it. It's usually supposed to be automatic. I think it's supposed to be automatic. Settings, if you don't have it already. Languages, offer to translate pages in other languages. You should see there should be English and Chinese here, or the other languages you can add, but for this, make sure that you have Chinese and you have English, and you toggle here to be automatic, to always be translate. So that being said, let's just go back. All right, so the first thing to do is how to search. Now on 1688 there are three ways to search. The first one is when you don't have an idea of what you're searching for, you just want to do a general search to go through the site to know what the site has. That is where you come to the commodity display. This place is like the total back end to every other item you want to search. So you just click on it. So for people that have the previous video where I say commodity, this is all what comes out. This is like all categories, and then from here you do your search. Clothes, whatever it is, shoes and bags or whatever. Remember that this place does not always give you what you want because it is a Chinese site, so sometimes Google translates out of context, so you have to apply wisdom. So all these things have meaning. Now from this place you can see repurchase rates, you could say the price, you could say transactions. Now this item, you can see sell like hotcake. What this means now is that this item is actually selling at the moment. If you want to know hot products, you could know hot products in shoes, hot products in bags, hot products in any item you want. Just do the search from the custom and it comes out like you will see hot selling products. Okay, so that is that about the first way of searching. The second one is using the name here on the search bar. Now again, because this site is a Chinese site, you may write something in English and it will not give you the exact thing you want. So what I advise is that you go to Google Translate, write whatever you want to translate in English and then translate it to Chinese. Let's say here
Okay, there's an example. Let's say I want to look for stainless steel necklace or whatever it is I want to look for. I write it in English, I convert to Chinese, and then I copy here. It will make my search easy. I go back there, click and hold, paste, and I say, now it has brought out everything. Okay, and I say search. Now it will bring out everything that has stainless steel, stainless steel, stainless steel. I now take my time and do my search. Okay. Now the next one, which is my favorite, is image search. This one for the name is when you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now you know you're looking for stainless steel. You're looking for it based on specification. You're looking for stainless steel. You know what you're looking for. But in a situation where there is a particular thing you're looking for, a particular shoe, you use image search, which is my all-time favorite. As I do, I go back to the main site. Now, this is the main site. For you to do image search, there are two ways. The first one, you scroll down. If you can catch this, it will keep uploading. This place written, the one that has the desktop field, you say that you can click on it if you can be fast enough, or you click on these three dots and then you go to desktop sites. That thing, when you click it down, the whole idea is to convert this to a desktop field. It leaves the mobile field and goes to desktop field. Okay, that is what it is. So if it goes there, you can see, zoom in, you can see this thing here. This is the a camera icon, sort of. This is where you're going to do your image search. You just click on it. You should have a picture of what you want already. So if it opens, you know what, you know the particular, your folder you have it. Let's say this is what I want to search, and I say okay. I just give it some time, it will load. Okay, now this thing works. Let's say you saw a picture on Jumia, you saw a picture on, I always tell my people, if you cannot solve 1688, try, let's say, other Chinese, maybe AliExpress. You can save as most pictures as you can. You can try Jumia. You can even try even the people that sell on Instagram. Save as much pictures as you can, and then do an image search on 1688. You would find it. Okay, so while as you're doing it, you just let it load. Okay, so if it comes out, it will give you the exact picture. It may not be the exact. Okay, it has different bars on the place that will give you different pictures of what you're looking for. So you keep going through the bars and you should be able to see the image of what you're looking for. You can see that image I loaded it. The search has given me all the sellers that sell this item. It gives you different options. This is not a case where you just see one and you pick it. It gives you different options. If you can see, you can zoom in a little. You see that judging with price alone, these items are different price: 79, 79, 73, 137, 88, 88, 85, 14. Okay, there's a different, I told you it brings out everything that looks like it. Okay, 71, 72, 70, or now there is something else. These things here, you see these things here, they all have their meanings. You can do a search. This is an algorithm. You can do a search and it doesn't give you the exact thing you're looking for. You can keep clicking on these places. This thing now, you see, it searched and it got to the fourth bar. Do you understand? Now, what you're looking for may be on the, I don't want to click it because it will delay us. If you make an image search and you don't see what you're looking for, keep clicking on these boxes. Make sure you click, keep clicking. Anyone you open, if it's not what you're looking for, you go back, keep clicking until you run out. Definitely before you finish all the boxes, the sections, you would find similar thing to what you're looking for. So this is a third, and to me, the most effective way of making my search.
All right, so now we have been able to learn how to search. You can go ahead and search for those items you like. Next time, we're going to be diving into how to tell quality products, because from the last type of search you saw that when you do your search, you will have so many options to choose from. Being able to know which one is best for you and what to go for is what we'll be trashing next time. So thank you so much for watching, and if you've not liked this video, kindly do so and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this series. Thank you so much and keep winning.